Hello everyone. Today I will show you a simple calculator application that I have built using JavaScript. Here you can see a simple calculator application which is a web-based application that I have built using JavaScript. Using this calculator you can calculate the basic operations of mathematics. Here we have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square, root and percentage. So if you want to calculate, just write down that number, then choose that operation, then another number. And you can add multiple numbers. Like this, you can add so many numbers. Then click on equal, then you will get the result. If you want, you can conduct the division operations. You can conduct the multiplication operation. And if you want, you can the square operations. And if you want the root operation, then write down that number and click on the root symbol. Here we can see we got the root. And if you click on this C, it will clear everything. And this is how you can conduct different type of operations. And I have built it using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For the designing purposes, we have used HTML and CSS. To conduct the operations, we have used the JavaScript. So this is our source code to build this calculator application. Now I will scroll down. If you want, you can pause the video and you can write down the code. I will also give the whole source code on my video description box, from where you can easily download the code and you can use it. You can also customize the code to make it according to your own design. So here we have some basic operations. You can also make it like real life scientific calculator. Here we have only the basic operations. In my next video I will try to make such calculator where you will get all kind of operations that we have in our scientific calculator.